So today we're working with feeling in the body. So get comfortable. And like I say sometimes, like you could try a new position if you like. You can lie down, um, change your posture, just getting a little bit more comfortable. And you can close your eyes or not. You could softly lower your gaze. Feeling into what's behind you. You can lean back if there's something, or what's underneath you. And taking in that support into your nervous system. And if you like, you can take some bigger breaths if that feels supportive. And feel the weight of your body, that steadiness. And that pull of gravity pulling you towards the earth, letting you know you belong here. And we'll first scan through the body and just finding somewhere in there that feels pleasant. Could be a small area. Just taking your time. And maybe there's nowhere, maybe there's somewhere more neutral, pleasant. Anywhere there's maybe some warmth, some softness or ease. And if you need to move a little bit at any time, feel free. And feeling into what's underneath you again. And feel free to open your eyes at any time. Take a sip of tea if you have some, coffee, water. And we'll do a short check in to maybe some unpleasantness in the body. Maybe that's easier to feel. Where is some unpleasant stuff happening? Maybe there's some tightness, tension. Maybe there's stiffness or ache. And we're not trying to change it, we're just allowing it to be there. And if the body needs to make any micro movements, feel free. And again, orienting to what's behind you, beneath you. Know that you're supported, pleasant or unpleasant, by that steady ground. And we'll check in now back into the body. Is there any area that feels neutral, neither pleasant or unpleasant? Could just be a finger, an ear, a toe. Maybe it's just a still area, or maybe it's a numb area. Bringing consciousness to this neutral zone. Notice what that's like. And before we end the meditation today, just notice what feelings are here in the body. Is there a calmness, maybe, or a restlessness, sleepiness, impatience, curiosity, contentment? Could be anything. Just notice what's here. And maybe there's a location to this feeling. And is it okay to let that be here, also supported by the earth? Maybe you need to support the area with hands or breathe into it. Knowing that all these things are impermanent and changing. And resting in breath or sound for the last moments. And you can wiggle your toes or fingers, stretch. And we will get on with our days